Hello, welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving right into how to use Notion as a CRM. Our first step is to create a new page in Notion. This will be our CRM dashboard. This is important because it gives us a central location to manage all our client interactions. Now that we've done that, we need to add tables to our page. We'll need a table for each type of interaction we have: sales calls, emails, meetings, and so on. The reason we do this is to keep track of every interaction we have with our clients. It's like having a personal assistant who never forgets anything. Next up, we need to create properties in our tables. This helps us because it allows us to categorize and filter our client interactions. For example, we could add properties for the client's name, the date of the interaction, and the outcome. Let me explain why this matters. When we need to find a specific interaction, we can just filter the table by these properties. It's a huge time saver. Now we need to add entries to our tables. Every time we have a client interaction, we add it to the relevant table. Here's what's happening behind the scenes. Notion is organizing all these interactions for us. We can see at a glance what we've done and what we need to do next. Lastly, we need to regularly review and update our CRM. This is vital because it ensures that our information is always up to date. It also helps us spot trends and patterns in our client interactions. And there we have it. By following these steps, you can turn Notion into a powerful CRM tool. It's a simple, intuitive way to manage your client interactions. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next video.